what up, my beautiful peoples, cute queens, handsome kings? How y'all doing? Hello, Helene. Oh, there's a little mini thing right there. That ain't it now. How we gonna start this? Or let's get into it, cause let me. You know what? Hey, kings and queens, how y'all doing today? Listen, the sun's shining, the skies are blue. I got my money for my cat stuffing. You know, it's always a beautiful place where we have money for cat stuffing. But guys, you know, let me actually say hello to y'all properly. Hey, kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. It's the girl AnekeAnnakay. How y'all doing or whatever? If you're an oldie but goodie, queen, king, shout outs to you. Shout outs to you. Thank you for coming back. You know, doing your thing, because you ain't got to be here. You know, you can go, ooh, the ghetto. Look at this dollar bill. We come to change that out. You didn't have to come back here, but you know, that's okay. You did. So thank you. To all my new personnel, welcome to my channel. Welcome to my shenanigans. Okay, on here I do my budgeting. I try to get my life together any way I can, but obviously sometimes it don't work out. But you know, it's okay. It's the effort that counts. So if you want to see the real tea of the budgeting and all that good jazz, I hope you consider hitting that subscribe button, because I would love to have you join and get into it, baby, because I'll be getting into it. Okay, now before we start off, you know we always do our shout outs. I ain't gonna forget now, just because I'm a little different today. I'm a little happy, I'm a little excited, I'm a little glad, because I was about to do this video yesterday and little baby was not feeling it. And I'm gonna try and slow down talking now, because I felt like I was going a million miles a minute, and I don't know, some of y'all can understand me when I get going. So yeah, your girl gonna slow down a little bit for y'all. Or shout outs. So shout out for this video. Shout out number one is planning your life with Brit. Okay. But it's planning your life with Brit, y'all. Go and check out sis. Okay, get into her. Sis is over there doing her thing. Get into it. Okay. Next is my girl that's been, you know, teaching your girl a little thing-a-ling. Budget treasures. Okay, I ain't gonna lie to y'all now. A lot of things I learned from the Miss Budget treasures over there. She, especially the moving thing, like that is all sis. Like she gave me the tea and I was sipping. Thank you. Okay, but now that we are done with all my intro shenanigans, let's start the actual video. I don't know why I wasn't putting these over here, y'all. Specials, what I am. Special is what I am. So, oh, let me get my little notes to see who getting what money. Girl, stop it. Okay, so this ain't it. Okay, there we go. All right, so the first thing we are gonna stuff is fuel, and fuel is getting $25. So that's a 20 and a 5. And that is fine wine. No. Okay, she's getting $25. So before, fuel had 20, 40, 45, 50, 51. And so when we add in our 25, fuel now has what? 20, 40, 60, 65, 70, 75, 76. We love to see it. Yes, fuel. Get into it. Get your coin, sis. And that's the only thing that was coming out of this binder, because listen, we had to do what we had to do. Okay, next is our tides, which is in hither, and tides is getting 110, and that was $100 and a 10, right? And right now tides has 280 in there, right? So it has 100, 200, 250, 270, 275, 280, and I have 160 that's in transfer. So Tide is technically 440, but on hand I have 280. And so with our $110 included, we'll have 100, 200, 300, 350, 370, 380, 385, 390. Okay, and then plus our 160, it's gonna make us $550, y'all. So Titan for the month has a total of $550, and I'll update all of these once your girl is done. Okay, all right, so who is getting money? I feel like I'm looking at the wrong thing. Like, y'all help me. Okay, Next, let's go to our variable sinking funds. Let's go there, which is these guys right here. So in our variable sinking funds, Juneteenth is getting money, and she is getting $15. So that's a 10 and a 5. I'm looking at it, y'all. So let's see how much Juneteenth has right now. So Juneteenth has 50, 100, 150, 170, 180, 190. And then us adding this $15 to Juneteenth gives us 50, 100, 150, 170, 180, 190, 205. Okay, Juneteenth. Okay, listen. We supporting Black businesses in June, you know, the birthday month. And get into it. So Juneteenth is happening. Black Friday's getting her little coins too. She's getting $10. So that's a 10. So right now she has 50, 100, 120, 140, 160, 180, 185. And we include this $10, and she now has 50, 100, 120, 140, 160, 180, 190, and 195. Okay, this Black Friday is actually my Christmas envelope, because you know what? I may be variable sinking funds, but I'm gonna get me my coins, okay? Because I don't understand why my family isn't fixed for Christmas, because that's where their Christmas gift goes, but I'm a variable. Ooh, child. Anyways, that was Black Friday. Nothing in special occasions. Jamaica Vacay is getting $150. Guys, did y'all see my Jamaica vacation budget? Did y'all see my Jamaican vacation budget? Listen, just know your girl is about to be living her best life. Point blank, what? Period. Okay? Because I refuse to be I'm gonna be on a budget during the holiday. That means I'm gonna save as much okay, if I can talk, you can hear what I'm saying and where I'm going. But what I mean by a budget is that I'm gonna save as much money as I need to bring on this trip that I can. Just so y'all know, little baby, that's the energy when I created that budget. It was a pain in the butt to see it. It hurts a little bit how much it gonna cost, but you know what? It is what it is. So right now, Jamaica Vacation has 50, 100, 150, 200, 220, 225, 230, 235, 240, 245, 46, 47, 48, 49, and 50. Jamaica has 250 in there, and we are adding 150 to it. So now Jamaica has 152, 253, 350, 370, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, $400. Okay, get into her, because she coming for next. Okay, little Roro better go about her business now. Okay, nothing's in Thanksgiving, nothing's in annual subs. Christmas bills is getting $2. That's $2. Let's see how much Christmas bills has. I don't know why it's getting $2, honestly. It was because, you know, it was an envelope. I had it and I was like, okay, bet. So this is 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. And if we add the $2, that will equal us up to 24. So that's 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and 24. Okay, get into her, darling. Now, if you don't know what Christmas bills is, you know when you like have people over your house during the holidays and then they want to use up all your light, your water, and everything else in between. So Christmas bills was all them bills that you're going to have to pay because they've been using up your stuff. But if I do go to like my mama's house, then I slide her to change or whatever. But if we go to Jamaica, then this going to be like, you know, like little cash stuff and whatever. But that's cool. And saving challenges. So the saving challenge is my quarterly challenge. So in my quarterly challenge, I had $8, which was a 5 and 3 ones. So it was 1, 2, 3. So $8 was the first number that I picked. And then the second one was 164. So that was 100, a 50, a 10, and 4 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. All right. So I don't count up saving challenges It's one of my few envelopes that I don't count. Obviously the numbers on there, but yeah. I'm gonna stop putting in the numbers because I highlight it on the sheet so I know how much I put in there per month. So yeah. So it had $4.96 right now, because if you can read the number, then that's what it is. But yeah, I don't need to put the numbers on there, so I'm gonna stop. Yeah. And then, child, get us together. Why can't I like put these together? Lord. Okay, there we go. Oh, y'all, we got our lives, because that was taking forever. We got our lives together. There we go. Bam. Okay, so that was everything for our variable sinking funds. I don't even know why my saving charges in the variable sinking funds, because it ain't a variable. But you know what? We're going to rearrange all of this when my new binder comes. My last binder that we're going to be stuffing is the fixed sinking fund. So you know these babies always get stuff for a paycheck if she needs to. Okay, get into her. So bend and pause. Boom. Okay. All right. So home is getting $200. So that's 1 and 2. She's getting $200. Let's put her in here. Travel, she is getting $50. So that's 50. I don't know, y'all. I've been singing today. Car maintenance is getting $50 as well. Gotta change my answering machine now that I'm alone. Okay, I'm single. I don't even know why I'm saying now. Oh, wait! The shade! Queen's B-Day is not getting anything. Family B-Day is not getting anything. First month's bill is getting $200, which is 2 $100 bills. Ooh, child, the shade of it all. Girl, I'm whole single. I don't even... Christmas is not getting anything, guys. And okay, all right. So the last thing we are gonna do, is do our stuffing. Is do our cash envelope challenge. Which boom, baby. Okay, get into her. All right, I'm gonna leave her right there because I need to get the cash envelopes. And obviously I didn't pre-plan this, so they all somewhere. All right, so this is my cash, this is my 100 envelope container, or well, what keeps my 100 envelopes. So this paycheck, we did number 70. So this is number 70. That was the first number. And then our second number that we did was number 31. So boom. Okay, so we should have $70 plus that $31 left for this little cash stuffing situation. All right, bet. So first envelope, do I got me a sticker? Girl, no, you don't. You sure don't. Come on. Get into her. Okay. I got me my sticker sheet. Crisis averted. So 31 is the envelope that we're stuffing, and that is a 20. Come on now. Stop showing out for these people. A 10 and a dollar bill. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I really do want to change this out because, no ma'am. I want crispy, clean dollar bills. I know. It doesn't even matter. It's the same value, but nah, it matters to me. It matters to me. Okay? When I'm counting my money at the end of the year, it matters to me. So, okay. So this is 20, 30, and 31. That is what we are putting in here. And we are going to be using the hearts because, you know, Valentine's Day in sheets. The hearts, boom. Isn't it cute? It's so cute. Bow. Okay, and then the next envelope is our number 70, which is a 50 and a 20. And we are gonna put that in this envelope, the 50 in the front, because we like our big numbers in the front. That's just how I am. I'm gonna put that in there, and then we're gonna get us another heart, you know, and we gonna put that on in there. So cute. Ooh, love letters. Yes, I love these kind of love letters too, because they got me some coins. Can we talk about it? And that, guys, is my cash envelope stuffing. I'm not gonna change them. I guess that's how the weeks is going. But yeah, guys, that is the 100 envelope that we have stuffed. Cause small things in the universe, but something precious. Okay, every little bit counts up. So guys, that is it for my cash stuffing. I ain't got nothing else for y'all. I hope y'all like the shenanigans. This is a good mood. This is a good energy. Ain't no problem stuffing the envelopes. You know, if you did enjoy this video, I hope you give it a thumbs up. I hope you leave a comment down below. Share this video with a family, a friend, and a foe, because even your enemies need blessings, okay? And also hit that subscribe button. What you doing, sis? It's a fact, ain't for free. You can hit that subscribe button, okay? Put it on me. Put it on me. If you want somebody to pay for it, put it on me. I'll do it. I mean, it's $0.99, but that ain't the point. I'll do it. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video for real, though. For real, for real. On real, for real. I would say yeah, you know what? I'll be playing too much. Bye, guys. Bye.
How you wanna do it? How you wanna get it? I'm out that, out of my mind. Can't even talk, can't even walk. Bad little thing.